to figure it out. Cool, I'll start and I'll tell you how my journey as a kid started and why did I step into the field of seva. Not a lot of people know I come from a family business background hai hamara. And I was actually stuck in the Uttarakhand floods in 2013. Jo Kedarnath wale floods, I was there. I was present there. And I almost saw death. And I was like, जो गरीब है वो भी हाथ फैला के बैठा है, जो अमीर है वो भी हाथ फैला के बैठा है. This is not something that should be happening. For the first time in my life, I had to place my hands आगे and wait for 3 biscuits of Parle-G because the Indian Army was distributing food to everybody. And 7 दिन हो गए थे, ना खाना खाया है, ना कपड़े, everything's being washed away in Uttarakhand. And we were simply waiting. मेरे को याद है ऊपर से हेलीकॉप्टर आता था, 1 food packet was dropped, distributed within 4 people, and that is how we were surviving. तो I simply looked towards my grandmother and मैंने पूछा दादी हम जिंदा जाएंगे? She didn't have an answer. And I was like, okay, this is intense. I was very small then. I was probably a teenager. So Dadi had no answer for me. I'm like, ठीक है, we'll figure stuff out. And life happened. We were rescued after 7 days, reached Delhi, and I asked my dad a simple question. Papa, what about the other people who left behind? उनका क्या होएगा? And he asked me, do you want to go back? मैंने कहा चल लेते हैं. बच्चा हूँ यार, अक्ल नहीं है, डिजास्टर से बच के आया हूँ. ऐसे करने से पिकनिक में जा रहे हैं. मैंने कहा चल लेते हैं. He's like ठीक है जी चलो. And we were the first civilians to go back to Joshimath, which is the army base camp in Uttarakhand. वहाँ पे जाके I was actually घेर लिया था मेरे को. 64 villages के सरपंच ने आके घेर लिया. They thought कि I'm somebody from the government. उस टाइम पे मनमोहन सिंह was the prime minister. कॉमन सेंस है, एक सरदार जी दिख गए, दूसरे सरदार जी दिख गए, भाई भाई हैं. तो मैंने कहा नहीं ये सिस्टम नहीं है. I'm not from the government, but they had a huge list. They were like कि गाय मर गई है, मेरा भैंस मर गई है, I have no shelter above my head, so many lives lost, and I was numb. I was like ये तो I didn't sign up for this. As a kid I was like हाँ मैं तो पिकनिक मनाने आ रहा हूँ ना, ये थोड़ी देखने आया था मैंने. I was like okay, we'll have to figure something out. Being from a construction background, I told dad can we do something here? He's like ठीक है. Plan बना गया थे 7 दिन का, but we ended up staying there for about 30 days, diverted rivers and rehabilitated 64 villages. I still remember this was the first official project of me as a kid, witnessing everything what is happening, and this was my introduction to seva. कि this is seva for me. बिना किसी धर्म देखे, without any gender, without discrimination, we didn't ask questions. I don't even know कौन आया सामने मेरे, क्या आप इस हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो. I'm like there is a person who's lost shelter, who doesn't have food, we'll try to help you out. ये मकसद था. And that was the first project of Hemkund Foundation in 2013. Since then we've impacted 42 lakh lives, out of which 20 lakh lives was just in the pandemic. And motive यही था कि how do we bring happiness into people's lives without any discrimination? At a time where there's so much of bhed-bhav happening, I was like ये नहीं करना. Does a doctor ask questions कि यार आप कौन से धर्म से आए हो? Does a doctor ask you questions what is your economic status? I'm like ये नहीं करना हमें. कोई भूखा है उसको खाना खिलाएंगे, किसी को ठंड लग रही है उसको कंबल देंगे. Simple, it's not complicated. And that was my journey as a kid. I was very bad in studies. Terrible बोलूँगा मैं तो अपने आप को पढ़ाई में. 10th के boards हुए. Without any preparation, I went, I gave my exams. My parents were called. Like you do realize आपका बच्चा मैथ्स में 2 मार्क्स से पास हुआ है. And my father gave the principal an answer saying, you do realize मेरा बच्चा मैथ्स में तो 2 नंबरों से पास हुआ है, but the amount of happiness he is bringing into people's lives, that is the real test of life. And I was like ये भी ठीक है, मैं तो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था गालियाँ पड़ेंगी मेरे को. यहाँ पे तो काउंटर चल रहा है, सपोर्ट चल रहा है मेरे लिए. तो मैंने कहा आई माइट जस्ट सी अ लाइव प्रोटेस्ट हैपनिंग, मॉम एंड डैड वर्सेस स्कूल प्रिंसिपल. मैंने कहा दिस इज नाइस एंड एंटरटेनिंग फॉर मी, मेरे को तो सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. एंड माय प्रिंसिपल रियलाइज आई एम नॉट जस्ट अ रेगुलर किड, ही इज डिफरेंट. आई माइट बी बैड एट स्टडीज बट आई एम वेरी गुड एट सेवा. That is when I realized you don't have to be confined within boundaries. लाइफ इज ब्यूटिफुल, क्यों एक बाउंड्री में रहना है यार? यू नो, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू just study mathematics or English? You could be great at football, you could be great at music, you could probably be a very nice artist, but you might not be great at all the other things in life. But ठीक है, you don't have to be a jack of all trades. एक चीज के मास्टर बन जाओगे ना, लाइफ सॉर्टेड है. So that was how I was brought up as a kid in life. फिर शुरू हुई थी बात कि पैसा कैसे कमाओगे? Obviously you need food on your platter. And I told Dad I will only do seva once there is enough food on my platter. I had that question as a kid कि family business है, सेवा कर सकता हूँ. But I wanted to be independent as well, कि ये ना हो यार कि दूसरों के बर्तन भर रहे हो, खुद के बर्तन में तो कुछ है नहीं. So I actually started multitasking. I'm like, okay, I will do internships, I will do regular jobs, and I'll also do seva. 2018 तक तो ये multitasking चलती रही, and then I took a step. I'm like, no, seva has to happen full time. बहुत दुख है लोगों की जिंदगी में. We need to step our game up. And पता है पंजाबियों में एक बड़ी stupid सा concept है, एक हाथ से सेवा करो, दूसरे हाथ को पता नहीं लगना चाहिए. We are not living in the 20th century. It's the 21st century, so we need to wake up. I was like, let's change things a bit and involve the youth. The youth has a lot of power. Youth का काम ये नहीं कि सीटों पे बैठ जाओ आराम से और मेरे को सुनो. I'm not here to give you ज्ञान. The youth should be standing here with me and doing seva, because you guys have a lot of power. Why do we expect कि सेवा खाली यार बुजुर्ग लोगों का काम है, कुर्ते पजामे में एक अंकल आएंगे, सेवा करेंगे, हाथ जोड़ के चले जाएंगे? That's not what seva is. Seva should be for everybody. You guys should play an active role and do seva with me. I started seva when I was 15. अब तो obviously बुजुर्ग हो रहे हैं, कई बार लगता है कि यार घुटनों में दर्द हो रहा है, पीठ में दर्द हो रहा है, shoulders are paining, but it's all about making an impact. कोविड हो गया, बैठ गए सारे, ओके ठीक है, 20 lakh lives impacted, what do we do now? We could have stopped there. I was like, nahin, we do even more seva. And since then we have 21 mobile medical units all around the country. It's all about finding problems and उनका solution कैसे provide करना है. I'm like, लोग hospital में नहीं आ रहे, how do we make sure that in rural India हम hospital को लोगों के पास लेके जाए? We came with a very simple concept, एक बस लो, fabricate करो, and उसको चलता फिरता hospital बना दो. That model was replicated by the Delhi government. We were the first ones to start it way back, and now if you look at that model, it's very successful. उसी एक मॉडल से हमने करीब 2.5 लाख lives इस साल में impact करी है, and it's just beautiful. तालियां मत मारो मेरे लिए, it's not me who's doing it. I often ask myself कि यार TED Talk पे आने के लिए तो मैं टाइम पे उठ नहीं पाता, सेवा के लिए कैसे उठ जाता हूँ, waking up at 4 AM 5 AM, and then I realize it's not me who's doing it, it's Guru Nanak who's helping me out. And the moment I think यार मैं सेवा कर रहा हूँ, I will fall and waver off my path. It is very important to realize you are nothing. मैं तो मिट्टी हो जाऊँगा. It's important कि करा कौन रहे सेवा, उसको ध्यान रखो, you know. And that is where I take my inspiration from. I'll tell you a small story. Guru Gobind Singh जी के टाइम पे ना constant battles होती थी with the Mughal army. And this is how the Red Cross started, by the way. Like, you know, उस टाइम पे battle होती थी, and there was a Sikh of Guru Gobind Singh जी called Bhai Kanhaiya. He used to give water to the enemies as well. Obviously there was a lot of tussle in the army कि यार हम लोग यहाँ पे we're killing enemies, yet Bhai Kanhaiya is distributing water to them as well. Guru Gobind Singh ji called him to the court. He's like, लेकर आओ यार, let's speak to him, let's have a dialogue with him. And he asked Bhai Kanhaiya a simple question कि यार यहाँ पे we're fighting hard और आप दुश्मनों को क्यों पानी पिला रहे हो? He's like, because मेरे लिए तो कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है, आप लोग दुश्मन मार रहे हो, मैं दुश्मनी खत्म कर रहा हूँ. This is simple for me. And Guru Gobind Singh ji said कि अगली बार से यार take bandages with you and medicines. Bhai Kanhaiya said, I see the light of Allah, Ram, Guru Nanak in each and everybody. इसलिए मैं अब दवाइयाँ भी लेके जाऊँगा. That is how the Red Cross was started actually, and that is where I take my inspiration as well. यार, if our ancestors haven't done any discrimination, why should we? सेवा starts at home. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि यार disaster में ही जाना है, Assam floods में ही जाना है, COVID में ही जाना है. Probably your mates need help पढ़ाई करते हुए, तू simply उनको फर्रे बना दो यार, वो भी सेवा ही. Trust me, वो भी सेवा है. You know कि यार कल फेल होने वाले हैं, फर्रे बना दो जूते में डाल के. That's सेवा for me. You're making 4 rotis for yourself, make an additional roti and give it out to somebody in need. That's seva for me. It doesn't have to be big. And trust me, once you start doing seva, जो नींद आने वाली ना रात को, it'll be the best sleep you've ever had in life. when I'm working my ass off on ground zero and I come back and I sleep, मेरी लाइफ की सबसे सुकून भरी जिंदगी होती है, बिकॉज पता है कि यार अगर एक इंसान के भी पेट में खाना डाल दिया ना, we've done our job. And that is what our goal at Hemkund Foundation is. I'm not even reading anything from here. I don't know why do I have this in my hand. कुछ भी follow नहीं किया है मैंने, but I'll simply keep it here. But we usually get questions like कि यार हम कॉलेज में हैं, हम यंग है, कैन वी डू सेवा? ट्रस्ट मी, यू कैन. यूथ ही फ्यूचर है. You expect 50-year-old uncles driving into waters in the Assam floods? I don't think so. That's going to happen. कोई भी अंकल अगर 50-60 की उम्र में यहाँ पे बोले ना कि हाँ भाई मैं फ्लड्स में जाके सेवा करूँगा, हाथ खड़ा करा दो, मैं आपको कल लेके जाऊँगा साथ में. So that's not going to happen for sure. The youth is the future of our country, and we must deal with it accordingly. Don't focus कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है. If you have a clear vision, you'll be able to be very successful in life. मत जाओ कॉलेज, नहीं मज़ा आ रहा ना, मत जाओ कॉलेज. टेक अ ब्रेक. फोकस ऑन व्हाट योर रियल पैशन इज. माय पैशन वाज सेवा. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, मेरे को ताने पड़ते थे घर में कि यार आपका बच्चा पानी पिला रहे लोगों को मेट्रो स्टेशन के नीचे, व्हाट इज अप विद हिम, ही इज बीइंग सेंट टू अ वेरी गुड स्कूल. आई एम फ्रॉम पाथवेज. इट्स अ स्पॉइल्ड ब्रैट स्कूल इन गुड़गांव. देयर लाइक यार वो पाथवेज में पढ़ के लोगों को पानी पिला रहा है बाहर, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद हिम? आई एम लाइक ये मेरा पैशन है. आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन आई एम डूइंग इट. It could be something similar for you, but chill करना है लाइफ में. Don't take any stress. लोग बोलते रहेंगे कि यार ये करो वो करो, but अगर you sorted yourself out, you found your vision, let the noise be there. एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे कान से निकाल दो, you'll be very sorted in life. So I have just one message. Don't expect us to solve problems. Don't expect the government to solve problems. If each of us takes initiative, there won't be poverty in the country. 4 रोटियां बना लो, 1 रोटी एक्स्ट्रा रख लो. गाड़ी में 5 कंबल रखो. You find somebody who's without any blanket, simply put the blanket over them. That's all you have to do. You don't need an Hemkund Foundation. You don't need Hartirath Singh. You don't need any government. If all of us come together, that's the beauty of India. अलग अलग धर्मों के लोग, अलग अलग जातियों के लोग, अलग अलग इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस के लोग इकट्ठे आ रहे हैं. That is just beautiful for me. So this is just my message for everybody. It's time to pull up your socks. Start taking initiative. If you take one step towards seva will naturally take 100 steps towards you. ये मेरा काम नहीं था यहाँ पे ज्ञान देना, but I'm here. I'm blessed to be here and telling you guys to be a small part of my journey. And thank you. That is all from my side.